Hi everyone, today I'm doing an updated review of the ECOVACS DEEBOT T20 Omni Vacuum and Mop Robot. This is an auto cleaning station. Paid around roughly $1,000 for this item. I will go over here the update on this model, my thoughts on it. Should you purchase it? Should you just stick to a regular vacuum and mop? And kind of go deep down into those details. So if you haven't already, please press the like button, subscribe for more videos with the notification bell so you are alerted when new videos do post. The reason why I purchased this is, let's be frank of it, people that do purchase robot vacuums are pretty lazy, right? Kind of like the Uber Eats or DoorDash, right? Maybe the convenience of it would be a nicer way of putting it, but the convenience is just having a vacuum, just vacuum your home for you without you needing to do it. And this is what the DEEBOT does. And there's a variety of different sensors, lasers that pinpoints where it's at, where it's going. So right now it's not mopping, it's not vacuuming. Basically, this mapping the flooring of my unit. So it's going around trying to take images and whatnot of what's going to vacuum and mop in fairly soon time frame. My thoughts on the crevices, the cornering, getting to, I mean, let's take a look right here. You can see right here on the ground there's still a lot of dust, a lot of particles that it could probably get down and clean, but it doesn't. It's quite difficult. You can see right here as well on the flooring. There's several items right there. So does it clean well? I wouldn't say it cleans well. I think it has a lot more to go till it gets there. I think the technology is nice to have. I guess it picks up some of the dust. I want to say all the dust. But it does a decent job. If you want to have your home cleaned, mopped, doing it the old-fashioned way, in my opinion, is the best way. No robot this yet can provide that. And this is probably the top of the line mopping, vacuuming, cleaner robot out there. There has been an instance where the robot did go outside to the patio area, even with the net that's there. It still did that. So you know, it's a work in progress with this type of robot. So in terms of the cleaning mop, you do have to, even though you're not per se cleaning your home or unit, you do have to clean up. If you go deep down inside there, that area right down there, you're gonna have to clean it up once in a while because it does get dirty with the mops. After it's done mopping, the cleaning pads go down and they try to self-cleanse itself. But it does make that area very dirty and it does accumulate over time. You do also have to empty out the portion. So let me go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. So there's a dirty water and clean water. This dirty water, you're gonna have to empty it out. It gets pretty filled up pretty quickly. The clean water, you're gonna have to fill that up. So it's not like, you know, forget it and leave it. You don't have to do a little bit work with it and helping it function the way it's supposed to. And you can see right here, the robot's still trying to go around my chair and trying to analyze it and map it. So it's been taking a long time to do that. So my overall opinion, do I recommend it? I think it's a good side piece to have. I wouldn't fully state that, you know, this is something that you would only have for all your needs. I think that having a mop or having a primary vacuum is needed with this item, which kind of defeats the purpose a little bit, but it is needed if you do want a clean home and whatnot. But if you're just looking for something decent to kind of pick up some of the small debris and maybe some items, some dust items once in a while, mop, try to keep your home a little bit tidy while you're gone. this does probably work, especially if you're traveling quite a bit. It may be a good purpose vacuum mopping solution till you return and maybe clean it yourself. So with that said, happy to answer any other questions. Feel free to comment down below in the comment section if you have used this or any other vacuum mopping robot. Happy to review it here on the channel. And any questions, feel free to post below. Happy to answer them. Press a like, subscribe. Check you guys out later. Thanks.